Good morning, world. As you can see, I did not lie to you guys. My hair is really, really crazy looking today. I haven't washed it in over a month, like over a week already. Haven't been feeling good. I'm feeling better today. Um, Definitely not feeling in the mood to do this, but this is why you guys are here. You guys are my accountability partners, so I need you to will me the energy to do this. I'm gonna do it regardless because that's my commitment to myself. But God, I'm not in the mood today. But it doesn't matter how I'm feeling. It doesn't, because we're going to start with an Olaplex treatment. Because as you can see, I need to strengthen these bonds. Since my hair is lacking moisture and it has been for a while, I don't want it to become susceptible to split ends and breakage. So that's why we're going to be going in first with my Olaplex #3 treatment. All right, I got through that for you guys. Seriously, accountability partners, because these cramps, this fatigue, none of this is a good combination. But I'm gonna leave this in for some time, maybe an hour or two, which is my normal routine. And I'm gonna be using my thermal hair care hothead to heat up the product and encourage it to penetrate into my hair strands much more quickly and effectively to do what it's supposed to do, which is repair and strengthen those disulfide bonds to keep your hair curlier, healthier, and obviously keep that elasticity and everything in balance. So absolutely love my thermal hair care hothead for any of my treatments. And if you haven't seen my tutorials, you can check it on this link right here. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. I have finished a piece of content, hint, hint, for you guys to enjoy. But I am ready to move on to the cleansing stage of my wash day. And one thing to remember about Olaplex #3, you always have to shampoo it out. Shampoo. Shampoo it out, okay? No question. Shampoo. Okay, kind of annoying. So the shampoo I'm going with today is the Anasi Naturals Rescue and Repair Bond Strengthening Shampoo. One of my absolute favorites. It's a low poo. You could use it gentle cleansing weekly. Absolutely phenomenal. Paired with a scalp brush, it gives a really luxurious foam, so it makes you feel that deep, clean feeling when you're done. So it'll definitely take out all the Olaplex and any buildup that I have. All right, I feel like I deserve a medal. I washed my hair and now we are on the deep conditioning phase. So I'm using the Anasi Naturals Rescue and Repair Bond Strengthening Hair Mask. So what I love is that it contains hydrolyzed protein, which will penetrate past the cuticle into the cortex in order to really strengthen the strand from the inside out. That way you can avoid split ends and breakage. So I'll be leaving this in for 30 minutes with my thermal hair care hothead right here. And later on today, I will be releasing my full YouTube tutorial on this product line. So definitely make sure you check that out later.
Well, guys, this is a fun result, and I'm so happy with it. Very bouncy, very light, very full and volumous, and it's only going to get better as days 2 and 3 keep going. But thank you so much for being my accountability partner today, giving me these refreshed, beautiful curls, going and checking any of the links I've shared in my stories today. Honestly, it's been such a fun day with you, and I can't wait to do something like this again. Maybe we'll do a refreshing couple stories tomorrow morning. So let me know if you'd be into that by, interacting with polls. I put them there for a reason, I want you to interact. But thank you again for the awesome curls, and thank you to Olaplex and Anasi Naturals for always delivering pristine, beautiful curl definition.